CIA Museum is a learning tool to ensure its rich history is accessible to all. To keep the museum current, CIA renovated the entire museum in 2022, just in time for the agency's 75th anniversary. The museum design team worked hard to make sure the museum reflects the true diversity of CIA's workforce. Leaning heavily on the guidance of CIA officers who are blind, have low vision, are deaf or hard of hearing, as well as officers with mobility challenges, ensures a new space with greater accessibility. There are 3D tactile maps to guide visitors through the museum at 3 different locations. Points of interest for people who are blind or have low vision are highlighted throughout and explained via Braille. In the museum, there are 2 3D interactive tactile images. The tactile images are raised, so users are able to touch and feel the painting or photograph. When a hand moves across the 3D image, it triggers sensors in the painting that play sound effects or descriptions that help tell the story or describe the image. There are also buttons at the bottom of the tactile that provide audio narration and a detailed description of what the painting or photograph looks like, as well as information on various aspects of the mission and people involved. The narration buttons are in-depth audio labels for people who are blind or have low vision. There are 7 artifacts replicated by 3D imaging and cast in bronze. These artifact replicas are available for people to touch and experience with their hands. There are boots worn by an officer on the 2nd team into Afghanistan days after 9/11, a Minox-C spy camera, and a scale model of the supersonic A-12 aircraft. Each touch artifact is accompanied by a Braille label. To assist those who are deaf or hard of hearing, all the video interactives with sound have closed captioning and balanced volume. The interactives throughout the museum provide deep dives into CIA mission topics, so the touch screens can be fully controlled from multiple screen points, including different height levels for people in wheelchairs. Everything is arranged within the galleries to allow for safe and easy access to every exhibit. The mission of CIA Museum is to inform, instruct, and inspire. With its new renovation, CIA Museum proudly highlights agency history with greater accessibility to all.